welcome back to my channel. Remember, I don't even work here. I love DeWALT. They came out with a 2100 compact pressure washer, and we're going to unbox it right now.
We're good.
All right.
Ooh, she's ready. It's on your DeWALT diehard fan gotta have list.
If you're new to pressure washing.
Okay, yeah. Concrete masonry.
So your soap one. Oh, it has the soap
It's
dispenser.
right here. Oh, built in. Let's see how it works. What you got? Oh,
Okay, I'll take the gun first.
it's like a little apartment for all the accessories. Okay.
Safety.
So a trigger lock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
What
don't
does it?
cut yourself. I cut
Are
mine.
these the nozzles? Holy smokes, these are the nozzles.
Yeah, those are the
They attach inside the gun.
15 degree,
40.
40 degree, and
And
that's
soap.
just the soap.
It's gotta be.
Yeah, because the turbo is this big boy right here.
Holy smokes.
It tells you right here. Soap, right? Gentle, 40 degree, 15 degrees for masonry. Look at that.
Oh, cool. It's even there, too.
Yeah, little indicators.
This is a power cord.
All right. It all stays underneath. I know what you're trying to do. There we go.
Yeah, it's
weight-wise is nothing?
like 20, I would say like 20 pounds. So these stick in there pretty nicely. I mean, I'm not concerned about those flying away anywhere. So you
Do
just
they
pull it
almost
out.
lock in, you would say?
Yeah, it's like suction almost. It's like,
oh, nice.
like it pops in there. It's like,
Okay.
and it's a quick connect.
We got it.
So let's switch to a different one.
Okay.
Pop that back in.
Showing them how quick and easy it is.
Yeah, we'll go with the 15.
Okay.
Alright, so then you pop it in a little. There you go.
Oh, that's fun. So this pressure built up really quickly, which I like. Almost, what, a second to build up the pressure. So we had the water go, see, so anytime it feels the pressure release, it builds up.
That's way more quiet than I thought it was.
Let's test it out. Let's see if that... Try not to get any one of those. That is dried concrete. Nice. Oh, what about this? Oh! Easy, baby.
So then it clips here.
Oh, so it clips right up there, huh?
Yeah, hold it.
And then once you get the other,
There's another clip.
that
Just clip it. Here.
much better.
Okay,
So that's the
thin wand.
extension or thin wand.
I'm gonna put it this way.
She calls this the silencer.
Yeah, I took off the silencer. And then our handle, let's make sure it's locked.
I can't remember the way it came in, huh? I guess we're about to find out. Is that how it's at?
Oh yeah.
That looks right. Sit down. Lock it up, baby.
You ready to go?
Ready to roll, as they say.
Ready to roll up?
So 27 pounds.
28. Let's do round up to 28.
Close.
Thanks for watching.
I may take this to a job site somewhere and put it to test, and she's going to be okay with it because it's all about the channel and bringing you all the information, right?
Yes. And me getting DeWALT.
The end.